but she had a progressive weakness of her left hand in particular in terms of holding, squeezing, and also with numbness in her finger. So she saw a neurologist who recommended that we should see, an occupational therapist, and we checked around, and you had a great reputation, so we wanted to come here.
I was not able to hold this stuff in my hand. I couldn't unbutton or button my blouse. So it was hard. It was very, very uncomfortable feel. I felt like my hand was not going anywhere. I couldn't hold anything.
I think your therapists are very, very attuned and very well trained, because she did not take the diagnosis of carpal tunnel on face value, and she thoroughly examined her and felt that there was a problem in the upper spine, which was impacting the nerves, and that's where she needs to work. I know she's right, because when she started doing that, her numbness got better and she's feeling better. So that was without even an X-ray or an MRI. So I was very impressed by her knowledge base and her expertise. All your staff is just wonderful.
There is a lot of difference. I see, I feel it. Now I'm more comfortable closing my blouse or closing my bracelet or a chain, because before I had no power in this strength. But now it's little better than before. But she's still working on it. So
it's a great place, no hesitation. It's the best place for especially hand situations. The occupational therapy in general, very well trained staff, very courteous people. You guys are obviously great, very responsive, very polite, very good, all positive.